Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your main clip and the name layer into Capcut. This is essential so you work non-destructively. Once the clip is imported, drag the name PNG or text onto an overlay track above the video. Make sure the project ratio is correct, because alignment and scaling depend on it. You should also trim the name layer to match when the name appears. This gets you immediately into editing instead of faffing with settings later. Now you make the name transparent and natural looking. If you use text, style font and size, then duplicate for subtle outline or shadow. This improves legibility. If you imported a PNG, confirm the alpha channel is preserved. If not, use mask or the blend mode, add or overlay to simulate transparency. Next, reduce opacity to between 30 and 60% and fine-tune position with transform handles. This balances visibility without blocking important video details. Finish by animating and exporting. Add keyframes to opacity or position so the name moves naturally with the shot, and use easing for smooth starts and stops. Once done, preview full screen to verify the transparency reads correctly, then export with standard settings. If the name appears boxed or with a background, make sure the layer is above the video, the PNG has an alpha channel, and the blend mode or opacity is correctly set. Re-export after fixing those 3 areas.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.